Hello everyone. Good morning and welcome to AWS and DevOps program. Okay, what exactly it is? This is a training and placement program. I'm expecting that you have already seen this image into our YouTube and Facebook page or Facebook group as well, which is our Bangalore Job Seekers group. I hope you have seen this. What exactly this image says, I will take care. Okay, what exactly this program is, I will take care of why we are learning this thing, who can learn this thing, what we have to learn this thing, when we are learning, where we are learning, every questions. Okay, and your migration journey will be in my hand. I will try my best to migrate from any other profile to the DevOps or cloud. Okay, me, not only me, the BJS is also with us. BJS is a group of 9 lakh people, and with the help of that, we are migrating your profile into the cloud or AWS domain. That's our actual agenda. Okay, what exactly this thing, if anyone here who saw the AWS, who try to learn the AWS, they are unable to learn by own. That's why we are here to teach you everything. Okay, and here are the DevOps tools. These are the top DevOps tools which we are going to teach you in this course. What exactly this course is, this is a 50 hours, or we can say 50 plus, around 60 to 65 or 12 to 13 weekends. I will take your 12 to 13 weekends, around 2 and 2.5 months, to teach you all these things. Okay, 2.5 months, all the weekends I need you from your side, so that I can teach all these things to you. Okay, what exactly it is, it has 9 modules. Okay, what we did, we have distributed all this learning into the small modules. What exactly this module says, I hope you have this syllabus as well with you. Okay, if you don't have, I will give the link to you all. Okay, you get the link. Okay, in this syllabus, all the details, what all things, what all practicals, what all theoreticals, how much theory, how much practical we are going to learn, all the details are here. Okay, if you will see here, we have distributed how many modules, I'm telling 9 modules. We have distributed same as into this syllabus as well. Okay, module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5, all modules are predefined, preset, or what you have to learn to become AWS or cloud DevOps engineer, that has been mentioned here. If you will see here, the first module, the very first module which we are going to cover in today and tomorrow date, or if we miss something into the day 3, we will come into the next Saturday again on the 11 a.m. time, and we will cover up this part. Okay, so whatever, if we miss something, we will start from the next class itself. Okay, and the timing will be 11 a.m. to 1:30 or 1:15 p.m. every weekend. And what exactly it is, the module 1 says this DevOps foundation. Before becoming a DevOps engineer, before coming into the cloud, or before coming into the IT technology, what all things you have to be aware, this all things you have to be aware, then only you can become a DevOps engineer. Okay, what exactly it is, very first day, it's our introduction part, which we will do it into the today's class. Second day, we will talk more about cloud. How many varieties of cloud? Which cloud we have to learn? In which cloud? What are things we have to learn? This all things we will see into our day 2. And in the day 2 or day 3 itself, in the first weekend itself, we will see about the DevOps tools. Which DevOps tools? This all DevOps tools, very high level. What is the use of this tool? We will get to know about this. What all things you have to learn? This all things you will get to know about DevOps Foundation module itself. Then second module, we will start our Linux journey. What exactly the Linux journey is? Because see, without Linux, you cannot learn cloud, you cannot learn the technical things, or you cannot move into the DevOps as well. So we will spend around 1 week duration here, or 1 weekend completely here, and then we will see what all Linux we have to understand to become a DevOps engineer. This 2 weekends will be your foundation. With the help of this foundation, then you can ready, or you are eligible to learn the AWS. Okay, I saw a lot of institute or somewhere into the YouTube itself, directly they are starting from the what exactly the AWS is. If someone who don't know what is IT, how the what is the use of AWS, where you will utilize the knowledge of AWS, if you don't know that part, you, if you will start from here, it will be bouncing back, or you will start for 2 3 5 days, and after that you will not understand anything. But my agenda, my thing is here, I want to teach you everything. It's my responsibility. Whatever will be the last 40 days or 40's last week will be there, you will understand each and everything, and strength will be always full. Okay, whatever the strength, we will take it. I'm sure that we will make that much interaction, we will make that much interesting things, so that the strength or everyone will be available to understand that thing, because you will be eager to learn all these things, because I will give you the answers, I will give you the terminology what you have to learn, and you will feel the interest, and you will learn each and all the things. Okay, so this days means this 2 weekends will be our foundation, module 1 and module 2, so that from the from the third weekend, okay, from the third weekend we will start our AWS. It will take around, we can say, 10 plus hours from my side, and around, we can say, 3 weeks duration or 3 weekend duration I need it from you. And then we will learn the AWS as well. Okay, in the AWS, whatever the top technology you have to learn, top terminology, top services, top resources you have to learn, or it is using by almost every company, that all things I am going to teach you here. Okay, EC2, S3, okay, networking, databases, monitoring, virtualization, VPC related, almost around 10 or 15 plus services, whatever is required to learn to become a DevOps engineer, that all things I am going to teach into this. Then we will start our core journey of DevOps. Here we will learn the cloud. Okay, but what we will do with the cloud, right? We need some tools to implement the things. And from here, we can say a fifth weekend after 1 month. Okay, after 1 month, our DevOps things will start. In the DevOps, Git, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform. These are the primary tools which we are going to teach you into the two module, module 4 and module 5. Kubernetes is primarily for the experienced people who has more than 3 years experience into the IT. It will be helpful for them. Okay, for freshers, Kubernetes, if you will know, it will be good. You will get a good package, good job. Okay, Ansible, Terraform also we are going to teach you into the module 6. Module 7 is completely a monitoring part, Prometheus and Grafana. And the very interesting day will come after module 7, the day 42. What exactly it is? Anything, if after learning this all things, anything, any extra topic, or you feel that, sir, this is not in your course, okay, we want to learn, because after 1.5 months you will be mature, that you are aware, you saw lots of research, you saw lots of articles, you even given the interviews as well. After giving the interviews, you feel that, sir, this is the topic which some companies are asking, and it is the topic available into the job description. I am ready. We will do the voting in our classroom, okay, in our online classroom like this. And we will take that topic, means if 5 people are telling that we want to learn this topic, I am ready. I will prepare myself, or if you means I will prepare myself and I will give it. I do have almost all the topics ready with me. You don't have to worry. Okay, if something is beyond the syllabus, or something is beyond the expectation, okay, or within 1 month, if something new came which you feel that you have to learn it, that also we are covering into day 42. Or if required 1 more day or 2 more day, we will take it. It's not a big deal. Okay, but here you can choose your own topic. After learning, after all these tools, also you feel that something is still pending, you can let me know. We will do it here in this day as well. Okay, 42 43 days will be for that part. Okay, and then module 8 is primarily our scripting part. Okay, here I will give the very high level overview about the shell script. I will give a very high level overview about the Python. Okay, in this day you will able to understand how the programming works, what all things we have to understand into the programming, or how much programming is required into the DevOps. Okay, in the starting onwards you will get to know all these things. Okay, but here you will learn the things as well which I am going to teach you. Okay, don't feel that I will teach a Python into 1 day. No, it's not my intention. But how to understand the Python in 1 day, or within a next 5 days, if you will little bit just learn more things, if you want to learn, okay, that is enough. But for the DevOps engineer, how much coding or how much scripting is required, that I will teach to you. Okay, because my intention is here to make a DevOps engineer. Okay, then here after the means after all the 8 modules completed, the module 9 will come. This is a primary project. 3 real-time working live project from the industries, or from the whatever mostly DevOps engineer has practiced over this projects, and they become the DevOps engineer. This project we are going to, these are the real working live project. If you will see here, the project 2, first project is completely CI/CD, which is very important for the DevOps engineer. Second, is a project which is e-commerce website, which everyone understand, everyone can imagine or can understand very easily. E-commerce website which is running on Python, Java, Go, .NET, almost all the programming language. I will use it. We will create a microservice on the Kubernetes environment, and I will going to teach you this part. Third is complete infrastructure of 3-tier application. Okay, 3-tier application on AWS cloud, completely on AWS cloud. With the help of Terraform, I will create a complete infrastructure in front of you, and I will give you almost 40 plus AWS services overview also. 40 plus is more than enough, guys, to understand any of the cloud. Okay, if you will do this practical, you will understand almost all the clouds. You don't have to understand any other cloud after that. This is more than enough into this project. Okay, so like that we will do. And in between, guys, in between, whenever, means I will give some assignments to you. Okay, in the assignment some workshops will be there. Okay, if you want to come over the weekend or in the weekdays or any holidays, guys, in this 2 months duration, definitely 1 or 2 holidays will come for sure, right? 2 or 3 holidays will come for sure. We will meet into this that holidays as well. We will do the workshop. What exactly the workshop is? Some extra learning. If you feel any of the extra doubts which is not at all running for you, okay, we will clear up in these days as well. Okay, or some extra things or some assignments we will do into this days as well for you. Okay, because this is weekend class, Saturday, Sunday, both the days we are going to meet, but in between, let us assume some holiday came. Okay, for 1 Labor Day or something like that, whatever it will come, we will meet on that day on the same time, 11 to 1. Okay, and we will do some extra learning. Or if you feel you want to revise everything, okay, whatever you want to revise it, yes, we can do. Or you went for some interview, you want to discuss something good or interesting in front of everyone, yes, or one-to-one, so I'm always with you, you can discuss anything with me. Okay, or we will create a one small WhatsApp group, in that you all members will be there, and we will discuss every day on the things as well. Okay, these are the 9 modules which we are going to teach to you. 50 hours of live instruction training. Okay, means 50 hours of more than 50 plus hours to complete this all syllabus. This LED instruction, like you can see me, you can hear me, all good, right? You are able to see me, able to hear me, right? Yes or no? Yes, at least raise your hand and let me know. Yes, Amina.
Yes, we can.
Cool.
Yes.
Okay, so we will
Yes,
do,
yes.
cool, we will do like this always. Okay, means my camera will be always on, you can always see me. However, I'm explaining right now, I will explain you in the same approach as well. Okay, if you want to stop me anytime, you can just let me know, sir, this is not, we have not understand this point, raise your hand, I will talk with you and you can ask the questions. Okay, in this course we do have 40% theory, because you want to go for the interviews, right? In the interview, or you want to perform the activity, you have to understand the theory as well. Yes, the 40% will be the theory, and if you will see here in this syllabus, some parts are theory, obviously some parts are theory, all the practicals will be there. Okay, plus we are starting, I'm not starting the practical from day 1 itself. Okay, here complete Linux will be on the practical base. Okay, don't think it's a theoretical part, I will run my commands, but here you will get some 20 plus practicals as well, where we are creating some applications, where we are deploying the things, where the things will be running as well. That all things also we will do. 40% theory and 60% will be the practical. 40% I will speak, 60% my hands or my technical things will speak. Okay, when 40% also the technical things only I will speak. Okay, learn cloud and cloud computing plus DevOps. I'm going to teach you the cloud computing, because first we are going to learn AWS. Okay, after the AWS we will learn the DevOps. What exactly the DevOps is? DevOps are the tools where the development and operation teams works, and DevOps is a team who will do everything with the help of automated way. No scripting required, very minimal scripting is required, or commands will be required, which I am going to teach to you. Okay, and this all tools operation on the AWS cloud we are going to learn. Our primarily cloud is AWS, plus I'm going to give you the overview of a GCP as well. Okay, why I'm giving the GCP overview? It will be add-on for you, because when you go for the interview, someone asks, okay, you know AWS, we have tested you, but do you know any other cloud? And that time you will say, no sir, we don't know any other cloud, right? And you may get rejected. So For that, as every companies are moving into the hybrid cloud model, hybrid means more than one cloud or two clouds, they are moving it. So the idea is like, if the companies are asking or people are working in the real time into the two different clouds, yes, we also have to learn. So I will add some more icings from the Google Cloud as well. Whatever is the good into the Google Cloud, we will learn into that, and primarily our AWS. Okay. 10 plus assignments after every module. Whenever the module will get complete, I will give you some assignments, some set of questions, which are the real interview questions, which my previous batch student face or I face when I went for the interview. Okay. After that, yes, 3 real-time live projects will be there. Obviously, without project or without technical things or without practical things, you cannot learn or you cannot remember for a long time. So yes, practicals will be there. Okay. Weekends workshop or somewhere holiday special workshop will be there for sure. Interview preparation, yes, I will take care of all the interviews. You will give the mock interviews first to me. You are, if you are good, okay, what we will do it, you will give the mock interview to the external person as well from the BJS itself. Okay. And resume making, interview calls, referrals, everything is our responsibility, which we will give it to you. Okay. And guys, whatever the recordings are happening, okay, whatever the PPTs you are seeing, all these things are for you. Okay. Recording, I will not keep it myself. We will create a one drive. Okay. In the drive, all the recordings will come to you automatically within some couple of minutes. Okay. And still in your mind, if you have questions, please be patient. I will take care of all your questions. You don't have to worry. Okay. What we are, who we are the BJs. How many people knows BJs? Raise your hand, please. At least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Yes. People are known BJs. Okay. And can anyone tell me from how many years we are into the Facebook group, or from the Facebook, how many years you know us? Maximum. Unmute and let me know, please. 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. From how many years you know us?
3
years. In
3 years.
2013.
3 years.
More than 7 years.
Sir, sir, this is Manikanda. I am observing BJs from 2016 when I came to
Okay,
Bangalore.
4 years, right? But we are existing from the last 10 years. Okay.
10 years.
Cool, good. Okay. What exactly it is? We are the best learning academy into the Bangalore, and we have established into the 2010. Okay. We all are 2010 batch pass out students. Okay. And yes, we have established the BJs. Okay. It has more than 9,77,000 members into the group. You can go and check anytime. Okay. We are the education center into the Bangalore, primarily from 2014. This all things which you are seeing right now. Okay. We have already started into the 2014 onwards. Okay. That time we are primarily dealing with the Java or Java testing .NET profiles. Okay. But that profiles are good for the very freshers. Okay. From the college student. But after 6 months or after 2 months, do you still want to learn Java or .NET only? No, you have to learn something which is adopting, which is the demanding or where you are getting your money. So we are migrated into the cloud as well. Yes. Guys, raise your hand down, please. Okay. We do have monthly 100 plus placement from the BJS, what we can say BJS platform. 100 plus is very less, 100 plus placement to happen from my group itself. Okay. From this cloud or from the DevOps itself, we are getting lots of placement. You want to see how many placements are there? What I want you just watch this YouTube videos. Okay. You will get the placement. Okay. These placements are primarily for the batch number 22 and 23. Okay. This batch has been completed last week. You can see the recording date. It has been updated 13 days ago. Okay. This video has been updated around 7 days ago. Last weekend, I talked with my student. Okay. Where you are, what all things you are doing. Okay. This video has been updated on 13 March. Right now is 19 March. Last Saturday, I was talking with this student. Okay. These are more than 8 to 9 students came here, and they are telling that how exactly they feel about the batch, how exactly they understood about this syllabus after completing the course. Okay. What I want, you have to spend. Okay. If you are joining us, you have to spend little bit time here. You will understand everything. Okay. I don't want to tell everything from my mouth. Okay. The students are telling all. That's why you are here, right? Cool. And lots of placement. You don't have to worry about the place. And we are the best training academy into the Bangalore, or nowadays it's a cloud, it's a online. So we are the best online academy for the Java testing, cloud, AWS, and DevOps thing. Okay. And I will be your trainer for that. And guys, biggest benefits we are giving to you. If you miss to attend any of the live class, okay, like that we are live, okay, it's 19 March 11:31 p.m. okay. If you miss any of the class, okay, if you miss by any of the reason, we will give you the recording. Okay, recording will become by you by own automatically to you. You don't have to worry, and you can join any other batch as well. Okay, if you feel that you missed 10 classes or 20 classes, I don't have any problem. You can join the next batch. Okay, or you can, if you want to cover up with the recordings, you are very welcome. You can cover up, you can ask the doubt with me. But if you feel that no sir, we want to come live only, you can come to the next batch. Okay, this is 26 batch number 26. You can come to 27 or 28 batch free of cost. We will not charge anything if the syllabus is also get changed. Okay, we will not charge for the 27 and 28 batch anything to you. Okay, means regular batch also you want to come after 1 month, you can come, we don't have any problem. And I do have 10 plus of professional cloud as well as DevOps engineer experience. Okay, and I'm working in one of the big MNC. You don't have to worry for that part. Interview preparation and career growth also we will provide it to you. Tips and tricks for related to AWS cloud and DevOps, everything we are going to provide it to you. Okay, cool. Okay. What all things you are getting from us in quickly? Community support or WhatsApp group support, what exactly it is? Whenever you are joining us, okay, we will, as we have created some small groups for you, right? WhatsApp groups for you. You can say that I do have how many groups? Means we will provide you the community support as well. Okay, come fast. Why the messages? Yeah, it's loading. Okay. BATCH22. Okay, like that all the batches group we are creating. Okay, small groups we are always creating it. Okay, around 14 people, 20 people, how many are joining us, we will create like this. Okay, and in that you can see that how many placement, lots of placement. See, these are the people. Okay, we did this last time we seminar. Okay, and you can see that how many placement happens. Okay, I will come up like that. Okay, see here, congratulations are running. Okay, congratulations Ashu and Sham. Okay, some people, whoever is getting congratulations Prasad, okay, they are getting placed. Okay, they can say the message, hi team, hope you are doing great, very happy to share that I got placed in Loxic Hexware, thanks for the support. Okay, like that lots of placement will be there, like that. Batch 22, batch 23. Okay, this is, where is batch 23? Batch 23, here is the batch 23. Okay, like that we are doing all the things. See here also we did some meetup and greet up. Okay, this message I haven't sent, this is sent by the some student. Okay, and this is here. Okay, and like that lot of things we are doing. See here, congratulations, I got selected for Infosys as a senior consultant as a DevOps engineer. Congratulations, lots of congratulations Ravi, congratulations what we can say, Aisha. Okay, you can see Shivraj is telling that I've selected into the Infosys. Okay, and you can see before that Aisha also got selected, my first offer letter as a senior software engineer. Okay, so lots of, we are creating a small group. This was the weekend batch, in that around 20 people were there. Okay, I will not take very high number. Okay, I need a quality people who really want to learn, they can come and they will learn from me. Okay, so like that we will create a, and here 24 bar support. It means what I want to say, that if you will see here, some people, Ashu, see Ashu is here. Ashu will post all the job openings to you. Okay, means whatever the job opening he will fill, he has a lots of contacts, he will provide all the job opening related informations to you. Okay, and he is also here, he will provide it. Okay, and like that what we can say that, see here, my friend, I get a second offer, hi friend, I got a second offer from the big MNC again, DXC and Wipro. Okay, like that lots of placement I do have in all the groups. Okay, batch 24 and 25 is still running. Okay, B25 you can I can show it to you at this point, no placement, but yeah, placement will come into that. Okay, this is our B25 batch 25. Okay, happy Holi messages are happening here. Okay, it's a very new group. Okay, and we are going to create this 26 batch. Okay, and like that lot of things are there. You can see, if let assume, I will tell you. Okay, let assume Shivam is facing some problem. Okay, he's facing some problem and he will ask what, how to exit it, and like that Shivam is responding, someone is responding, everyone will help him. I will also respond it like that. Okay, means people, if you are facing any of the problem, technical, non-technical problem, yes, we do have group where we can discuss. Here the biggest benefit you are getting it, you will get a group of people who have a same motto, same mission to get a job. Okay, So like that, we are creating a small group community so that you will understand or you will learn a lot. Okay. I think you don't need very high number. 20 people of same mission can achieve it. Okay. This is my aim. Okay. Lifetime access for the training and documents and all the recording. Yes, all this recording training videos, I will give a lifetime access to you. Okay. How exactly it is? If you will see here, I do have all the accesses, okay, for all the batches, batch 16, batch 18, batch 21, batch 24, 25. You want to see how exactly it is? Batch 25 is still running. Okay. Original, all the videos, and day 1, day 2, day 3, day 27, 28, 29, 17. 17 classes happen. Every day is the class is happening. Every day I am uploading into this place. You have the, I will give you the access like this. Okay. You will get the access like this. Okay. You all have the access. Whoever is joining us, they have the access. From this place, they can see all the videos. Okay. All the PPTs you want to see, regular batch PPTs. Yes, this all PPTs I will provide you all these things like dummy and actual resumes. Okay, for some students, or for installation document, whatever the things we have learned till now, all the documents we will provide it to you. Interview questions topic wise, I will provide it to you, or I will update it. Or if you feel that you went for the interview, you want to update, or you want to update, let me know. I will update, or I will give the access to you. You can edit it as well. Okay. Module 1, all the PPT. See, day 1 PPT will be there. Okay. The batch was started on 4th March. Yes, first PPT, all the PPTs will be here. Like that, everything will be very systematic. You will get it from us. Okay. If you want to see about the batch 22 and 23, okay. Batch 22 weekdays was there. Okay. In the weekdays, you can see where is that? Give me a second. Okay, it will be here only. Videos, I will give you the PPT show. Okay. PPTs, all the PPTs, whatever the PPTs happen, completed. Okay. All the information will be into your drive. Okay. This is, I will give you the access for this drive. You will see all these things. Okay. I was showing the batch 22 videos. Okay. It will be here. Video recording for batch 22 and 23. Regular videos. Okay. All the regular videos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 42, 46, 47, 48. Whatever the classes will happen, exactly everything will be available. Very systematic for you. Okay. You don't have to worry. If you miss any of the class, you know the syllabus, go and check it. Okay. All the recordings, if you want any other video batch recording as well, you can let me know. I can give the access to you. I can give it to you. You don't have to worry. Okay. Guys, you are able to understand what I want to say. At least raise your hand and let me know. Able to understand? Yeah, Gayatri, you want to say something? At least Gayatri, Shubhi, Shubham, unmute and let me know. Yes or no, please.
I understood till now, but I have a small doubt. Am I a fresher? Am I eligible for this course?
Yes, you are eligible. I will give you all answers. Okay. Why you are eligible? Why you are eligible? Okay. Or what will be the benefit if you will join this course? I will give that answer.
I didn't start my career till now because of motherhood. So I just want to know.
No worries. No worries. Okay. You will get your answer by own. Okay. Within 15 minutes.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Cool. Okay. Guys, see. Yes, definitely it will be helpful for everyone. Why? I will give that answer as well. Okay. LED based sessions, the sessions will be like this only. All the tips and tricks, yes, you will get it from me or from the BJ's other members as well. Okay. Training certificate, if someone who has a 3 months gap or 4 months gap, we will give this training certificate to you as well. Everyone, it's for everyone. Whoever want, you can collect your training certificate as well from us, and you can add in your resume. If you have 3-4 months gap, you can fill it with this as well. Okay. Interview preparation, resume making, and everything we will take care. Okay. I will give you the dummy resumes or original resumes as well from some other people. Whatever the things you know, you have to take it in your resume. I will take your interviews multiple times, multiple mock interviews. I will take it from you for you, and I will make you prepare for that as well. Cool, guys. After understanding this part, okay, you are welcome to our DevOps and AWS journey. Why I'm telling a DevOps plus AWS journey? We are going to learn DevOps. We are going to learn DevOps tools and their operation on AWS cloud. Okay, means how to run this cloud on the AWS cloud, how to run all these tools into the AWS cloud. This is our agenda. Okay. The journey is really a challenging. Okay, it's not easy. If you want to start by own, you will never finish it. Okay, or you will not ever to reach it where we want to reach you after 2 months or after 3 months, where we will take you. You will not reach it by own. Okay, we have decided, we have already struggled, we have created the things very systematic for you to understand or to reach to that level. Okay, basic IT knowledge will be helpful. If you have any of the basic IT knowledge or some knowledge, okay, it will be always a add-on for you. But I don't need any knowledge from you guys. Okay, we will give you the knowledge from the very starting. I will teach you everything. Okay, then we will take you into that part. Okay, we will cover up the top DevOps tools and top AWS services. Yes, whatever is you feel that it's very important, it's a top, whatever is using by most of the company, we are going to teach that part to you. And top AWS services, we are already chosen to you. At the end of this today's class only, you will get to know that what all top services are there. Okay, freshers and IT beginners are also eligible. Okay, why I'm telling that freshers or IT or any of the IT beginners or non-IT beginners also are eligible? Because see, if you will learn some technical things, you will not be into the support job, you will not be into the BPO job, you will not be into the technical support job. Your career will start from the technical things itself. Okay, and this benefit, you saw some people as a 2 years or 5 years experience are getting 10 lakh or 15 lakh package. Why they are getting it? Because in the starting onwards, they start with the some good things. Okay, if you feel that okay, join at this point at 2.5 lakh package, okay, I will work for 3 years in 2.5 package, and after that I will get, you will get only 5 lakh package job after 3 years also. Because if you don't have the skills, if you don't have some good things in your resume, or if you don't have the good knowledge, who will pay you, right? This is the thing which we have to learn. After learning only you will earn. Okay, I will not tell that go directly and become the AWS engineer. You can become, you will get a job, but how you will work it? Without knowledge, are you able to work it? Are you able to survive it? No. So if you are starting something from the starting onwards, it will be also very good. Okay, that's why I'm telling freshers or someone who don't have any technical knowledge, okay, but you do have some 2 years or 3 years support experience, you are welcome. Because the reason is, it will be good, it will be good for you, because you want to migrate, or you want to come out from that place, or you want to earn the money. Okay, that's the reason. Learn by doing practicals and assignment. Obviously I will help you out with all the practicals. We will do all the practicals live in front of you. I will always, my screen will be shared, I will do the practicals in front of you. We will do all the assignments. This is the technique, we will learn it. Okay, this is the technique. Because of this we will able to achieve it. And guys, it's not a race. Okay, it's not like that. I'm telling, it's a journey. Journey means it will definitely take a months of time. Okay, 2 months or 2.5 months will be really required. Okay, but the thing is, I don't want you to explain everything in one day. No, it's not my intention. My intention is you have to digest, because I'm here to teach you. Okay, I want to mentor you. Okay, it's not my responsibility that 40 days 40 classes done. No, my thing is I want to explain. Until unless you will digest it, I will be with you to explain you each and everything. Okay, 40% will be the theory, and definitely practicals, hands-on, everything we will take care. Okay, we will do it, and 60% will be the practicals. Okay, you will understand within today or within tomorrow class itself how many practicals we are going to do it. Okay, cool. The next question is, sir, we are interested, and what will be the prerequisite to join this? Okay, we will start, as I told, we will start our journey from the very absolute beginner. Okay, if you don't have any experience, because I feel you are coming here, to learn, right? If you know already thing, if you know already AWS, Google, DevOps, okay, no need to join us. If you want to enhance or brush up your skills, then you are welcome. Okay, but intention should be you are coming here for learning purpose. If you're coming for the learning purpose, I am here to teach you. Okay, we will start from absolute beginner. Okay, no prior knowledge of AWS cloud is required. Okay, if you know zero are into this place, I'm good. I don't have any concern, because that's my responsibility. I want to give it to you. We will start from the basics of cloud computing. Very basics we will take care. I will provide the enough knowledge, real-time scenarios, real-time learnings, everything I will take care, and I will give it to you. Aniket, mute yourself for some couple of minutes more. Top DevOps tools plus top AWS services I'm going to teach you. And my primary intention, we will make a small community, okay? And we are making BJS is making a very big community, but because of you, 20 people, yes, we are making a community, okay? That we want to learn each other, okay? I also want to learn from you. You also want to learn from me, okay? What you want from me, or what is the benefit of this 20 people? Okay, let me tell you the scenario. What is the benefit of this 20 or 30 people which I am making the group? Okay, all 20 people will be in 20 different companies. Yes or no, guys? Let me know.
Yes,
All 20
you
or
are
30
right.
people,
Yeah.
at least one person in one company will be there, 30 people. And how many people are seeing the openings, cloud or DevOps opening in your company? Almost everyone is getting a
Yeah.
referral mails.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Right, everyone is seeing that there is a opening in your company. If you will provide one referral to the group, one person will get how many referrals?
Almost 13 years.
Almost 20, 30, right? And how
Yeah.
many openings you need? 20 or 30 only, right? If you will get a 20,
Yeah,
30, okay, I don't want you to everything dump from one day. If Rahul is providing after 1 week, Ajay is providing after 2 weeks, Anil is providing after 3 weeks, or Asta is providing after 1 month or 2 months, that's enough. We don't want to go in every day one shot, but yeah, slowly we will learn. Okay, or after 6 months also you are into the group. But see, what is the benefit? If you will provide a referral, you will get a big huge amount, right? If this guy is selected, yes or no?
yeah. Yeah.
This is the smallest benefit I am telling you to make this a small group. Okay. The biggest benefit is we are 9 lakh members. Okay. Do you think that all this 9 lakh members into the BJS group, in which almost 9 lakh companies are there? No, right? So
Yeah.
whatever referral you want, okay, you can let me know that, sir, we need a referral into this company. I will check my records. If any of my candidate or any of the person I have a contact, I know him, I will directly give his email address to you. You can directly reach to you. At this point, I know all you. Okay. You don't know me at this, okay, but I know I have all your records. Okay. Which company you are working, what exactly you are, what's your email address, what's your mobile number. I know, right? So I can reach out to you anytime I can reach out to you anytime, right? So this is how we will make a small community, okay? A small WhatsApp group for our class to learn and to grow each other. Definitely we will grow, okay? I given the very small logic. Because of that, you will get at least 20 referrals. You don't have to worry, okay? In that 20 referrals, if you get 5 referrals from TCS, Infosys, Wipro, you will get placed. Yes or no? Guys, let me know. Guys, yes or no? Please unmute and let me know.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Cool,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
Okay. And we really want to target individuals. Okay, we don't need a group, big group, 100 members, 200 members. I don't want. Okay, I want to target individual persons who want to begin their journey into the cloud on AWS, or they want to learn DevOps or cloud. Okay, this is my small intention. Okay, cool. Okay, now the time came me who I am. Okay, this is me. I do have 10 plus of years of decade experience. Okay, means I can say that I have decades of year experience into the cloud and DevOps. Okay? Primarily, I work into the AWS, Google Cloud, and I do have experience into the Azure, and I'm Azure certified as well. Okay, and I'm working as an architect for the AWS and Google Cloud primarily. Okay, I do have certification into the Kubernetes as well, and definitely without a Linux, you are nothing. So Linux will be very important for me. So after around 7 years back, I did this Linux certification as well. Okay, I am a senior DevOps consultant into one of the big MNC. You don't have to worry. I'm the corporate trainer. Because if you are into the some company, you may see me again into some corporate training as well. Okay, because nowadays we are getting lots of opportunity for the corporate trainings as well. Okay? I'm the mentor. I publish lots of articles. YouTube videos are the simple example. Okay, we are publishing our YouTube videos as well. So yes, these are the blogs we are creating in front of you guys. You can always verify, always check us, okay, whenever you want. Cool. Okay, and there are multiple reasons to join BJS. Okay, community support, you can post anything into the Facebook group as well, you can post anything into the WhatsApp group as well. Lifetime access of the recordings. Okay, you can see here in what exactly it is. I do have the access. Okay, in that, if you need batch 16 recordings, okay, I can provide you the batch 16s as well. Okay, very old recordings will be there, but all the classes recordings will be there. Okay, it will be like that, means all the recordings will be available for you always. Okay, you don't have to worry for that part. Okay, all the PPTs, all the recordings, you will get it always. Cool. Where is that sheet? Yeah. Okay. 100% placement assessment. I can assist you that you will get very good assistance from the BJS, because BJS is a very famous or very reputed for the placement. Okay. Most of the people are here who get the first job from the BJS. Anyone here who get the first job from the BJS itself? Guys, unmute and yes, Saurabh, you want to
Hi,
say something?
Vikas.
Yes, Saurabh, go ahead.
Hi, Vikas. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Hi, Vikas. I'm Saurabh Sharma, and I would like to speak about myself. I joined this group initially when the group was started, and you know Ashu very well. He was my close friend
Okay.
when we both are looking for a job.
Okay. Cool, man.
So
Good.
I got a
It's a
job in
2000.
custom.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So I got a job in customer support in Flipkart. That was my first job from BJS, and then
Okay.
I worked for 3-4 years in customer support. Then I decided move to the technical part. So I quit the job and I started learning a technical things. And then I got a job opportunity in DXC.
Cool.
So in DXC, I worked for 2 years,
That's
and
okay.
then I got another opportunity in SCL
Okay.
as a remote desktop support engineer. And it's been 2 years I'm working in SCL. Now I decided to move to the AWS or DevOps
You are
because,
very
as you know, the market is upgrading and
correct.
technology is
Okay.
upgrading. So I was looking when the VGS will start this platform
Okay. Cool.
to and our journey to move to the technical. And I think this is the right opportunity for me to learn and grow myself.
Cool. From how many years you know Saurabh BJS? From the last 10 years or more than 10 years?
Uh, yes, last 10 years when the group was initially formed.
Cool. Good.
When I was in Bangalore,
Cool.
I was staying in PT with my few friends, and they got a good opportunity. Some of my friends they got in right now they are in abroad also.
Cool. Guys, see, I can show you how many people are in abroad from my batch as well. Okay. At the end of this
When we
class, good, Saurabh,
yeah,
good. At the end of this class, I will show how many students already moved to the abroad as well from my group. Okay. No worries. Okay.
yeah.
Cool. Okay. Anyone here
Thank you.
else who got the very first job from the BJs or got the job with the help of BJs? Anil, sort of raise your hand down if you're done. Guys, anyone else? No? Okay, no problem. Then you will be, yes, Shilpi, you want to say
Yes,
something?
yeah, I got the job from BJS in 2015 actually,
Good.
and I got the job at in contract in IBM,
That's
and
okay.
I was working there for 2 years. After that, I got good opportunity from US client, and right now I am working in guideware testing.
Cool. Good. That's
Yeah,
okay. Yeah.
thank you.
Cool. Thank you. Okay. So yes, guys, placement assistant will already been there from the last 10 years. Okay. You don't have to, and it will be always for the next 10 years also. You don't have to worry. Okay. BJS is very good in all these things. PPT materials will be shared into the drive. It will be a read-only format. You cannot download, but it will be always for you, because it's not only for me. What I will do, I will not watch the recording again, right? I'm generating a recording every day. I will not watch it again. Prinath, mute yourself, please. Okay, guys, don't unmute, please. Okay, and complete end-to-end DevOps tools plus AWS focused training. This is the actual motto. Live project plus 20 plus applications, modules, service labs, practicals will be with us. Where exactly the information of this 20? Let me go into this place. If you will see here, practical 1, practical 2, practical, where is practical 3? Okay, practical 3 load balancer, practical 4 S3 bucket, practical 5 S3 resume creation, static website or complete static website. Okay, real-time app experience. Okay, practical 6 RDS database, practical 7, like that lots of practicals are there, guys. Okay, if you will see here, practical 17, practical 18, practical 19, 20, or we may have more than that also, 24, 25. Okay, more than 25 practicals are there, but I'm mentioning 20. That's okay. That's are the primary practicals which we are going to learn into this journey. Okay, and yes, I do have 10 plus of experience, and I will be your trainer. Okay, as well as I'm the core member of the BJS, and I'm the co-founder into the BJS as well. Okay, interview preparation, career growth, everything we will take care of that part. And one good thing is, because we know everyone is working, if by any of the reason you missed any of the class, okay, you don't have to worry. You can watch the recording. Else, if you want to come to the immediate batch, next immediate batch, after the course completion, repetition, anything is fine for us. Okay, there may be chances you will see some old students already being coming to my this batch 26 as well. That's practically possible, and we are allowing our old students as well. Okay, you want to see, let me show it to you. Okay, batch 22. Okay, batch BATCH hyphen 22. Okay, if I'm going to the batch 22, you can see some students are from the old batch as well. Okay, batch 22, batch 23. See, I will save everyone's number. You don't have to worry. Nothing is there. Let me check it in batch 23. Batch 23. Okay, it's my responsibility that you can see everyone's number is always saved into my this thing. And you can see here Ratan from the batch 16, he is coming again. Okay, someone from Shubham from batch 12 again. This is the guy batch 12. He joined me 4 years back. Again he said that, sir, I want to switch it again into the new company. Can I repeat it? Can I come? We told, okay, come, man, no worries. Okay, so it will be like that. Lots of students are coming. You can see from how long I know him. Sorry, I'm not getting around 1221 messages there. Okay, it's a WhatsApp download thing, so messages are not coming, but yeah, you can see that lots of messages are there. Okay, these people, every day I'm getting lots of messages from my students, kind of thing. Okay, and I do have contact with my every old students as well. If you will see my chat, okay, lots of students are reaching from the old batches as well. Okay, you can see I'm talking with see H1 visa. Someone is talking for the H1 visa as well. Yes, we do have. Okay, and I'm talking with my old student as well. See, batch 13. Okay, batch 13 when in March only. Batch 13, I provided the referral opportunity for the Infosys to him. Okay, any link, you can go for the Infosys. I told him go into this place. Okay, Vikas, आपने details send नहीं किया? Yeah, it's okay, I will send it for the Cognizant. Okay, like that we are talking with everyone. It's not like that you will be only this student. You will be my core student, and we are talking. See, this person batch 16, he's again talking with me. Okay, in the March only we have talked, right? So it's not like that he means whatever the student has been registered for us, everyone's number is always saved. You can always ping me. Okay, see here, batch 16, very old batch. Okay, someone is providing an opportunity here as well. Okay, not me, someone is still providing the opportunity into the March. 2 years old group also opportunities are coming here. It will be like that. Okay, the intention is very simple. Everyone will help each other. Everyone want to grow each other. Okay, that's the more motto. Cool. Okay, now the question will come, sir, we understood everything. Who can become a DevOps engineer, right? The question is, the answer is any of the person who is working in IT support or support profile. Yes, you are already doing the operations work. Okay, in the DevOps, if you're already doing the operations work, you are already 50% eligible to become a DevOps engineer. Okay, Linux admin, any of the administration person, if you're already doing the operations work, you are already 50% eligible. You don't have to ask with me, sir, we are eligible or not. Yes, you are already eligible 50% straightforward. Okay, network engineer, yes, in the operation, again the network part is there. Okay, you are already eligible. Manual testers, testing peoples. Okay, what will be, you are into a development part. Okay, you are sitting with the development people into the software development life cycle. Testing is the second phase. Okay, you are already into the development part. You are not writing the code, but you know how the code has to be tested, how the website has to be tested. You are already into the development part. You are already 30% eligible to become a DevOps. Okay, any automation engineer, developers, you are already here. You are the 50% eligible to become a DevOps engineer. Freshers, obviously in your college life you have learned something, C, Java, .NET, Python, right? Something you are already tried to run it, right? And you are already know something, so you are also eligible because your career will start very well. Very well means after 2 years you are the person which we are talking it in 2 years how he is getting 10 lakh package. Okay, because you know you have the skill, because of that you are earning that part. Yeah, Kunal, you want to ask something? You want to say something? No. Okay, cool. Okay, and whoever who want to learn or growing a new technology can be a DevOps engineer. Yes. Okay, guys, any question at this point?
Yeah, sir.
Hello, Vikas, I have one question.
Yeah, Kunal, go ahead.
Yeah, actually, I just want to know that what is the course fees? And second thing is that I'm in the development side. So
Correct. How
will
much
this
is your
work out?
experience? How much is your experience in the development
Like
side?
7 years.
7 years, buddy. You are already 70% reach into the DevOps. Have you already seen the cloud in your company?
Yes, it is there, but
Git.
I don't have any experience.
Okay. Git, Jenkins,
Yeah, Git I have.
Jenkins,
Jenkins I don't have.
Docker, Kubernetes, nothing, right?
Docker's little bit knowledge only I have in development.
So you are already a 70% DevOps engineer. Okay. You have to brush up. You have to make your things very proper, and you will become a DevOps engineer. And you are the person who will get the very highest package into this thing. Okay. 7 years development experience, people can get very high package. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Got it.
Vikas, I have one issue.
Yeah, Rahul.
Problem. Yeah, actually, I have experience, 5 years experience as a system administrator. Okay, so right now I'm working on like Hyper-V, VMware, and
Hyper-V,
Microsoft.
VMware, it's again a Docker related things, right? Virtualization.
Yeah,
Correct?
virtualization. Yeah.
Correct.
And almost I have a 5 years experience on this, and how to like how to add to the like DevOps engineers and how to like
I'm going to add. I'm going to teach everything. You don't have to worry. Okay.
Okay, and resume preparation, how to I can start from fresher or I can start from like experienced guy like.
You will ask 3 lakh package? No, no.
No,
right?
no.
You are expecting 15 lakh package, right? Or minimum 20 lakh
Yeah.
package, right? So
Yeah.
whatever is your previous experience, we will change something technical part into it. Okay. If you are doing a technical support engineer, add is as a Linux administrator. Okay. Add is as a Linux technical support engineer, or add a Docker itself, because I'm going to teach you the virtualization, everything. Okay. In the tomorrow class only, you will see the virtualization. Okay. Add some more part into that and add 2 years as a support engineer, cloud support engineer. Okay.
Okay.
And you are eligible to become a DevOps engineer very quickly.
Hi, Vikas. This is
Wait, Raghvendra, wait. I will give opportunity to everyone. No need to worry. Okay. Because I know everyone has the same question. Okay.
Yeah, actually, and one more thing.
Wait. I will take care all questions. Okay. Let me complete my part. Your answers will be cleared automatically. Else, at the end of this session, Q&A, questions and answers will be taken care. Okay.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Cool. Okay. And guys, lots of people has some frequency asked question. What exactly it is? What will be the timing? When the batch is going to start? Batch has already started from today itself. Okay. 19 March 2022. Yes, today the batch we have already started. The time is 11 a.m. to 1:15, or if everyone permits, we will go to 1:30 as well. Okay. If you are able to digest it, we will go to 1:30 or around 1. Minimum 1 to we will go it. Okay. 2.5 hours every weekend, Saturday, Sunday primarily, and the batch number is 26. Okay. 50 plus hours of duration, LED instructor training on the Zoom meeting. Yes, we are into the Zoom and we will learn everything. And if the Zoom will be there for sure, I will use the Zoom only. If by any reason we have to change it, yeah, we can change, but 99% we will use the Zoom only. Okay. 11 to 12 weeks program. Okay. 12 weekends program. Yes. 100% placement, community support, multiple referral support. Yes, it's my responsibility. I will provide it to you. Interview preparation, resume making, tips and tricks, everything. Training certificate. If you missed any of the class, yes, you can cover up. You can join any of the immediate batch. You don't have to ask with me. You will show my promotion. You will show my mail. You will show my message anywhere. Okay, you can come and join me. Okay, no need to take the permission from me as well. Okay. No coding, no prior experience required. Okay. Why I'm telling no coding? Because I don't need any coder or any person who already know the coding. It's not required, because whatever I have to teach it, I will teach you everything. Okay. Some commands, some small programming, some basics of the programming, basics of Java. Yes, I'm going to teach everything. You don't have to worry for that part. Okay. Yes, if any of the small gap is there, you can fill up with the training certificate as well. A small gap. Okay. Not big gap, small gaps you can fill with the training certificate as well. Okay. I hope some questions will be cleared. Okay. Now let's talk. Okay. Okay. What you have to do, you have to give your name. Okay. How much is your IT experience or non-IT experience? What's the expectation with this course, and why you are interested to become a DevOps or AWS engineer? Okay. I may need your name and experience. And if this answer is okay, not okay, because I just want to know my audience. Guys, raise your hand and I will call your name and you can speak. Raghvendra, go ahead, please.
Yeah, my name is K. Raghavendra.
Go ahead.
My experience about like 7 years in manual and automation testing.
Cool. Okay.
Basically, mostly I'm manual only, and
Okay.
like automation was slowly started in my organization with all the Excel sheet work, mostly not work for coding.
Okay.
And the expectation with this course is like, as you know, right, all the market is moving toward DevOps and AWS, and also
Right.
all our products are primarily we all have company meetings now. All things are moving to cloud. All the products are moving to cloud. Everyone was asking to, in our companies also they are asking to learn cloud. Actually.
Correct.
So,
And that's why you are interested to become AWS or cloud engineer.
Not like that. Like so, as I said, market is moving behind. As in IT people, so everyone wants to learn this about. And even I want to actually the basically like I want to change my career to for DevOps in AWS.
Cool.
So my question is like, so as I said, I have 7 years experience into different career path, and this DevOps space AWS different career path. So how it will help me means to get job in this field actually.
Cool. See, what you have to do, you have to learn with the help of this course. Okay, you will able to convert your 3 years experience into the DevOps or cloud. Okay, you have to prepare for the interview preparations as well. You have to give multiple mock interviews to me. Okay, and you are eligible to write 3 years experience into your resume as well. Okay, 3 years into the cloud support or cloud DevOps engineer. Okay, or basics of, we can say, Git, Jenkins, or Docker, Kubernetes. You can write, and you can say that from the last 3 years you are working as a DevOps engineer. Now the last 2 years at least you are working as a DevOps engineer, and you want to come into the DevOps role only. Okay, this is how we will migrate your profile, because 7 years experience is very high. Okay, I don't want you to convert complete 7 years. 5 years will be means 4 years, 3 years we will write it as a manual tester, 2 years as a Linux support engineer, and 2 years as a DevOps engineer, and we will migrate you. It makes sense? And completely your dedication, how much you want to come. Okay, you have to give your 100% to this course. You are very eligible, or you will very easily convert your things into this part.
Yeah. And one last question I have, because suppose like as you mentioned about the experiences, like to place you will migrate. So while joining other companies, it won't be create any issue, right?
See, issue means see, when you joined as a tester, are you joined as a tester only in the starting, or some support or something like that?
No, tester only.
Okay, see, it will never a problem. This is the beauty of IT. If you have the knowledge, in your knowledge only the interview will happen, and on the basis of your interview you will get a new job. Correct? And this is happen into the IT. Okay, if you have a knowledge, you can come into any other profile as well. Cool. Thank you, Raghavendra, and you are very eligible for this course. You don't have to worry. Okay. Yeah. Anyone else? Saurabh, Manikant, or Shilpi?
Yes, Manikanta.
Yeah, Manikanta, go ahead.
Sir, actually, I am a 2016 BTech passed out. Course is I completed ECE, and after that, 1 year I worked for system support engineer in Bangalore itself. And after that, currently I have 3 years of experience in US. Staffing industry as with the clients.
Okay, means earlier you are a technical engineer. Now you become a recruiter, right?
Yes, sir. Now I'm a recruiter.
Okay, fine. See, again, you have to make yourself as a complete technical person. Okay, because if you are expecting more than 10 lakh package, okay, if you are expecting less than 10 year package, this course is enough. You can write 1 year or last 3 years you are working as a DevOps engineer or support engineer at least. Okay, first you have to become a technical person, then we will migrate you into the DevOps.
Okay,
cool. Go ahead. I want to take some new name. Yeah, Manika, you have completed?
Yes, sir. It's a distance.
Okay. Cool. Okay, I want to give another opportunity to Anwar, or Nirja.
Yeah. Hi, Vikas.
Yeah. Hi, Anwar. Go ahead,
Vikas, what is the duration of the course, sir?
As I told, 13 weeks or 13 weekends. I need 2.5 months. 2.5 months.
Yeah.
Okay. Minimum I need it. Okay, to teach all these things to you. Yeah, Anwar, you want to say something, or Nirja, you want to say something?
Yeah, hi Vikas. My name is Anwar Zuhair and I am working in one of the MNC. Obviously, I'm not taking the name. I have 2.5 years of experience.
Cool.
My expectation with the course is like I feel outdated because of the manual testing and automation testing.
Okay.
I definitely want to move to the DevOps and the cloud engineering because there are a less amount of coding there as well. And the The reason I want to move to DevOps is mainly due to the outdated of manual testing.
But
And
yeah, I'm giving this video. Okay, this person Abhishek also tell the same thing. He feel the outdated. Okay, and he after learning this thing, what he is feeling, you will get your answer. Okay, just see the interview of this person Abhishek. Okay.
Yeah, actually, Vikas, I have seen this video yesterday itself.
What he told, he already told, right? He used that same word, right?
Yeah, I have gone through 2 of the videos. So this was the first video I had gone through.
Okay, cool. Great.
So I'll be going through rest of them when and where I find some time.
Cool.
So mainly my interest with the DevOps and AWS is like, first of all, the outdated part, and next is money, definitely.
Obviously, both the things you will get it from here. Okay, you don't have to worry.
Yeah.
And money thing, and see, money point I am covering at that. In some couple of minutes, I will reach into that. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Vikas. That's it from my side.
Yeah, cool. Anyone else? Chandu, you want to go, or
Yeah.
Lisa
Hi. Yes, Vikas. Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, Vikas. Vikas, I have like overall 4.5 years of experience.
Okay.
And I'm into management role, Vikas. So my role is completely into customer escalation management.
Okay, no problem.
So yeah, the expectation with my course is like future is completely cloud. So when I'm planning to move to technical side, I thought like I'll go with
the first step. This is the very first step. Okay.
Yeah.
You have to learn this part, then only you can come into the technical things. Otherwise, you will be always with the 5 lakh package only. Okay.
Yes, Vikas. And one more thing is like in couple of months I'll be moving to US. So I wanted to go with the market. That's the reason. This is one of
that
the
time you want to know how much you will earn it.
Not sure because, but the thing is
but
like
I want to. Okay, because this is a very good point. Okay. Here is the this is the number. Okay. The average AWS engineer, you will get it this month. And how much is this number?
It's like very huge with beyond my expectation, because it's like something which I've never expected. I thought like only the thing is I should not break my career wherein I have to get into complete technical side, and this course will help me.
Definitely. Okay, this course will really help you out. Okay, just give me half an hour, we will reach into this place as well. Okay.
No sure, Vikas.
Guys, I want to take one more person. Okay.
Vikas, one last doubt, Vikas. What is the fee for this course?
The fee is 20,000 rupees for this course.
Okay.
Including DevOps plus AWS both. Okay. Whatever I'm telling, whatever I'm showing, everything is included into the 20K.
Okay, Vikas. Thank you.
Okay, guys, I want to take one more person. Unmute and directly speak, please.
Hey, hi Vikas.
Go ahead, Vivek. Yes, please.
Okay, so currently I have a 4 year of experience in IT support.
Okay.
I'm working with a company called Atlassian. This is my third company so far.
That's okay.
Yeah. So I think I have got few of my answers. So like when we go for interviews, like one of the main question, or I can say first question will be like, what is your current job role? So how we justify that in the DevOps interview?
What is your current job role? This is the current job role. Okay. This is the thing. From the last 40 days, you are already working as a DevOps engineer, right? If you are coming here into the day one introduction, you are already aware about what exactly the team is, how exactly the team is. And this 20 people will be your cloud DevOps engineer team.
Okay. So
Which
will it be enough?
It will be more than enough, buddy. It will be more than enough. Okay. I will give a responsibility to you. Okay. If you have any friend who has a more than 5 to 7 or 8 years or 10 years experience, okay, in technical or in DevOps, give this syllabus link to him and tell him, do you know all these things? Okay. Or just take the review or take the feedback that after learning this thing, who has a 8 to 10 years experience, okay, you feel that he's definitely earning more than 20 or 30 lakh package. Okay. Give this syllabus to them and ask him, is this things are enough to learn or to make the 2 years or 3 years experience? And listen his answer. Okay. He will be also interested to join my course. Okay.
Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Cool. Okay, guys, at this point I don't want to take more questions. Okay, we will again take the questions at the end. Okay, you don't have to worry. Guys, raise your hand please now. Okay.
Hello.
Chandu, I will talk with you at the end of this session. Okay, I have to deliver some more things. Let me deliver, and then definitely the time will be for all the question and answers. Okay. And guys, the thing is, if you will learn the things by own without any knowledge, okay, it will be like this. Or if you will see from a very high level what the DevOps or what cloud is, it will look like this. Because if you will put into Google, I want to learn DevOps, they will give this image to you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? And by own, if you will spend one day in one tool also, now you are very expert. One day, one tool, you will not able to learn everything, because at the end of 100, at the end of 1 year, the 10 new tools will come into the picture. Okay, Rahul, mute yourself, and you will not end up with the things. Okay, so what we did, we have distributed, or we have chosen the things which you have to learn to become a DevOps engineer, to become the cloud engineer. Okay, these are the tools which you have to learn, or these are the tools which I am going to teach you everything into this batch. Okay, definitely coding, my primary will be Java or Python. Okay, I will help you out with Java and Python, okay, in the coding part. Okay, with the help, this code has to be managed with the help of Git tool. Okay, after the code has been written, with the help of Jenkins, we will create a CI/CD. Okay, and with the help in between CI/CD, definitely we will use Maven. Definitely our environment will be into the Linux. Okay, and then build, testing, and then we will release into the another environment with the help of Jenkins, and we will deploy into, with the help of Docker or over the AWS, we will deploy our applications into the cloud. Okay, and after the things has been completed, we will manage the things, or we will create this infrastructure automatically with the help of Terraform or Kubernetes. And after the infrastructure is completely ready, we will monitor our application with the help of some monitoring tool, that is Grafana, Prometheus, and Elasticsearch friendly in Kibana. Okay, with the help of these two tools, we will monitor our environment. So primarily this loop will never finish, guys. Okay, because you feel that developer will stop writing the code. No, developer, when this flow is completed, developer has written some new code, DevOps engineer will be required, and he has to perform the same activity again. Okay, this time automation, this new tools has to be implemented by the DevOps engineer, and this is what we are going to learn in the complete journey. Okay. Now the question is, sir, how we can learn everything on the AWS, or what are things we have to learn into the AWS? Okay, cool. Anyone here who already know what exactly the AWS is? Very simple answer I need it, or very smart answer? No one? Okay, no problem. It's my job. I will give the answer. Okay, AWS is a subsidiary of Amazon, who is providing a cloud computing resources and services on their platform. On their platform means they have a platform. On that platform, we are using their resources and service, and then they will provide this platform to us. The platform is aws.amazon.com. We have to go into this place and we have to use their service. What exactly it is? Let me show it to you. I'm going to my AWS account. Where is my AWS account? This is my AWS account. The AWS account says that aws.amazon.com. I'm logging in. As soon as I will log in inside this account, okay, I will teach everything, how to create an account, how to do all these things. I will teach everything. You don't have to worry. Okay. After logging into the account, you will see this all services are there. Okay. This all services are there. Or if you will see here, all services, AWS, Amazon is providing all these services to us. And these are 200 plus services available at this point. I haven't counted. You can count and let me know. But these are the services which AWS is providing to us. Out of that, whatever are the top, most of the companies are going to use, or companies are using it, that are already into this course. Okay. If you feel that you have to learn all these 200 services, no, you are absolutely wrong. You don't have to learn all the 200 plus services. Okay, it's none of the application or none of the company is going to use all the 200 services. Okay, in every application creation, it will be maximum 20 to 40 different services will be required to create a complete application over the cloud. Guys, any experienced person can give this answer to me. How much different services or resources are required from any of the cloud to make one big application, not a small application, to make one big application? How many services are required? At least experienced person. Yeah, go ahead, Vikas.
I guess 3 or 4.
Not 3, at least 10 we need. Okay. Yeah, but see, if we know 3 and 4, yes, we can start the thing, but minimum 10 will be maximum will be required to create one application over the cloud. Okay, so no need to sense, there is no sense to learn all the 200 services. Okay, this is what I want to say here. Okay, and what exactly the AWS is? AWS is providing these services, resources on the cloud and on the demand, and whenever we want to scale up, we want to increase, we want to decrease it, we can do with the help of simple console. What exactly the console is? Here is the console. With the help of this console, whatever the services we want to use it, we can go on demand, we can use, we can increase the size or decrease the size as per our requirement. Okay, and this data center, this AWS data centers are available into this many places. Okay, this many places means and Virginia, California, Oregon, Cape Town. These are the different locations where AWS data centers are available, and with the help of this console we can connect. At this point I have connected to the Mumbai location. Okay, you want to connect to the US location, just choose the US location. You can see the US East one, and I'm connected to the N Virginia data center as well. This is the thing, very easy. If we know the things, we can move from one data center to another data center with the help of this option itself. Now I'm again coming to the Mumbai location. See, you can see at this point N Virginia. Now I can come again to the Singapore location. I can just click and I can move into the Singapore data center as well. Practically at this point it is possible, and AWS is providing this all things to us. Okay, AWS has a revolution over the time. Obviously AWS not become popular in one day. Okay, it has a journey. AWS also took a journey of 20 years to reach into this place, or after 20 years he developed 200+ services. Okay, so every year you can understand that minimum 10 to 12 new services will come for sure. Okay, free to join, pay only what you use, whatever you will use it. If you will join this AWS, what we can say AWS data center or AWS learning platform, okay, or AWS platform, you don't have to pay anything. We will create an account which will be free for next 1 year. Okay, 1 year it will be completely free. Whatever the things are into the free tier, we can use it, or almost all the service has a free tier with some limitation. I will going to teach you that this is the limitation and we will learn it. Okay, if you will go into this place, okay, aws.amazon.com free. What exactly they are telling? The account is for 12 months, it's a free. Means if you will create it in the next weekend as well, after that till March next 23, it will be completely free of cost to you. Okay, it's 1 year time, we can learn all these services. Okay, this all services, what is the limit of how much is free for how many days or whatever exactly it is. Here is the all the details. Into this link we will see all the details. Okay, and I am going to teach you all the things, you don't have to worry. Okay, I am giving this link to you all as well. Okay, so let me go more deeper. Let me understand. We have just see very high level about the cloud AWS. Okay, let's see very high level about the DevOps. What exactly the DevOps is? DevOps is a combination of different teams. Okay, different teams means definitely someone from the business analyst, someone from the development side, someone from the testing side, someone from the operation side, someone from the monitoring side, someone from the administration side. That all people work into one software development life cycle. Software development life cycle, whenever any of the software is going to be developed, multiple teams are required. In your company also, if you will see, to develop a simple software also, multiple teams are there. When they work together to develop something, that is known as software development life cycle. And the flow of software development cycle like this: some will be into the development part, some will be into the operation part. DevOps engine is a combination who will work or who will be available with developers, who will be available with operations people, and help him with this infinity loop should run automatically faster with the help of tools. Okay, so now the terminology came, what exactly the DevOps engineer is. When developers, testers, or IT operations, these are the primary teams into any of the company. For software companies, these are the primary teams: developers, testers, and IT operation teams. They will work together to develop a software. Obviously these all things are working together to develop a software. Okay, and to keep the process of software development into the sync. With the help of this part, okay, all the teams will talk with each other. They have to be synced. they will sync or work smoothly with the help of DevOps people. What exactly? Here, some set of people will be there who has a little bit experience into the development part, who has a little bit experience into the testing part, who has a little bit experience into the IT operations part. Okay, this team will make it sync for all this team to work smoothly into the software development lifecycle. So who can become a DevOps engineer? Either a developer, either a QA, or either a operation people. Or if someone feels that, sir, I'm not belong to any of the category, then what will happen? At least learn some operation and then come to the DevOps. At least learn some manual testing and come to the DevOps. And yes, I will help you out to teach the operations part as well to you. Okay. Anyone here who has a more than 5 years experience into the operations in this group? No one? 4 years? 3 years? Guys, at least who is raising the hand? Vivek, Vikas, you guys are raising the hand. No one has 3 years, 4 years experience. Okay, chalo. Anyone here from the manual testing 5 years experience? Okay, Sadhvi is telling that she has more than 10 years of telecom experience. Sadhvi, unmute and okay,
Yes,
but it's non-technical. Okay, yes, Shilpi, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, I have 5.6 years of experience in manual testing.
Okay, you have. So can you give 15 minutes presentation? What all things you are doing into your company as a tester to everyone? Anytime, not now. After joining this batch.
Yeah, actually, I'm working as a guideware tester previously, and right now I'm working
I will help you out for everything. Okay. But what all things you are doing in your current company as a real-time experience? Can you give the one small presentation, not now, after 2 weeks or after 1 month to everyone, so that people will understand what the manual testers or what QA peoples are doing it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool. Good, good. This is what I want. Okay. Any developer here, more than 5 years experience? Someone told it. Raghavendra, right?
No, I'm in testing.
Okay, you are interested. Sorry. One person who talked with me, he has a 7 years of development experience.
Kunal.
Kunal. Kunal, where are you? Kunal.
Hey, hi Vikas.
Yeah, Kunal, how much is the experience you have into the development?
7 years.
7 years. Kunal, I have one request for you. Okay, after joining this course, okay, give the 15-minute or half an hour demonstration or just an explanation what as a developer you are doing it. I don't want you to teach the coding. Okay, except coding part, you have to give the overview what exactly you are doing it.
Sure. Basically, I'm a full stack developer. I'm working
Yes.
from front end, back end, database, everything.
Cool, good. Okay, so that your presentation will be helpful for the people who don't know anything about the development. Right?
Sure.
Guys, this is what I will do it. Okay, I will pull some persons who are the expertise into their area, and they will give the 15 minutes presentation, and you will be aware about everything, and that is known as DevOps. It makes sense? Or I know everything, I will always give the presentations. Okay, you don't have to worry, I will give all these things. Okay, this is also what we are doing into our classes. What exactly it is? If you will see our batch 25 PPTs, okay, in the PPTs you will see there will be a one sheet, okay, presentation sheet. Okay, in the presentation sheet, every weekend or every alternate weekend or every some weekends, I will take the students presentation. Okay, what exactly the cloud is, what exactly the QA roles and responsibility, what exactly the developers primarily roles and responsibilities. Okay, some people are already there, okay, who given this presentation. Okay, and I will give the ratings also, like how much you have presented, how much you are expertise into your area. Okay, and it will be like that, so that people, everyone will get an overview what exactly happened into the software development life cycle. And this will be helpful for completely non-technical peoples. They can speak something or they will understand something. Okay, and here you will get a confidence. Presentation 1, presentation 2, presentation 3, we will make the presentation. Okay, and it's not like that. Wait, Kunal, wait. Okay, it's not like that only students will give the presentation. I will start it and I will finish it. Okay, I will be the person who will start, so that you will get confidence. I will be the person who will end the things. Okay, all the tips and tricks I will give it to you. Okay, and I will take all your mock interviews as well. We will schedule your mock interviews. One mock interview for your previous experience. Okay, second mock interview for the complete AWS plus DevOps plus Linux kind of thing. Okay, This will be a second again, I'm taking it. Third again will be something like external mock interviews. It will be happen like this. I will give the rating like as all good, extra things are there, okay, need to add you into your resume, like that. I will give all the points. Okay, someone who don't have the good feedback, okay, I will send a message into the WhatsApp with the details. Okay, means I will give the rating here and I will tell him you have to prepare this much more for your next interview. So like that, I will take the mock interviews. Okay, some future presentations, some appreciations. Okay, some people are doing some really good work, so that appreciations will be there. Some responsibilities will be there. Whenever the course will get complete, I will not monitor everything. You guys will monitor that. Sir, you told that this means whatever the topics has been completed, I will make it green. If you feel that I have missed any of the single keyword as well, you can let me know. I will write it here and we will do it again. Okay. If you will see here, this is 26 syllabus. Okay. The 25 syllabus is also very similar. Okay. This is batch 25 syllabus. Okay. Whatever the topics we will complete it, I will make it green like this. Okay, so that student will get to know that yeah, this all completed. This is pending. Yes, I will make it pending. Okay, whenever we'll complete this workshop, then only we will make it as a complete. Okay, because we are waiting some extra day, holiday will come. Okay, and we will do this extra workshop. So like that. Okay, it will be always like that. Whatever the things has been completed, I will make it green. Okay, 3 days ago, whatever the changes are there, everything has been mentioned into the version tracking. Okay, so that everyone will be aware what changes I am doing it into the sheet as well. Okay, it will be like that. Okay, this is batch 25th sheet. So like that, we are doing all the things as well. Okay, it will be very transparent kind of thing I want to maintain here. Okay, and cool. Okay, and this is how, means if you will give the presentation, other will catch some point and he will become a DevOps engineer. That's my intention to make it to you. Okay, if you will see this thing, why the problem is happening or why the DevOps team is required, why this middle mains are required, why this middle team is required. Because if you will see this diagram, business analyst, they will think something, they have to develop it. They will give the information to UI or UX people, or what we can say developers. They will give the information to the developer. Developer will pass the information to QA people. QA people will pass the information to IT people, and till this information reach from this place to this place, it will make full kachra. He will not understand anything. And when the developers write the code or deploy the things into the operation and give the code to the operation environment team, operation people will do the deployment and it will get breaked. Right, this is the problem was happening into the traditional approach. Okay, that's why we have to remove this wall of confusion between the development and operation teams. There are some walls, right? There are different teams. They are bind up of small things. Their development people are expert into the development part. QA people are expert into the QA part. Operation people are expert into the operation part. But no one is providing the right information what exactly is happening into the application. No KT is happening. If the KT is happening, half an hour, if you will provide some information to QA people that half an hour, this is the new feature is coming. In QA people will provide the same information in 10 minutes to the IT operation team. This is what happening. And at the end, IT people will think that what is the happening? I don't know anything. Right? This is reality or not? Tell me the answer. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right, that's why the idea is like create a DevOps people, okay, who will be aware about everything. Okay, and he will be from the starting to end, this person will be into the process. So what will happen, he will get the proper information from the development, he will get the proper information that from the QA, he will get the proper information from the operations, and the things will reach to the end will be very proper. Okay, that's the intention of making the DevOps team. That's why lots of openings are available into the DevOps. Okay, cool. Okay, this is the just a very high level overview. Now, what exactly the DevOps is? DevOps is a solution for the development and IT operations issues and problems. Obviously, whatever they are doing, definitely they are facing a lots of problems. Whatever their problems are there, we will provide the solution with the help of some open source tool. With the help of some tool, we will provide the solution to them. DevOps people will help a communication, collaboration, and integration. Communication means as we are connected with all the teams, definitely we can communicate with every other members as well. We will communicate with the multiple peoples as well. We are doing the collaboration with the multiple different teams as well. Integration, obviously we are connected with the every team. That's why we are the person we can help into all the collaboration, communication and integration to the different teams as well. These are the DevOps engineers. DevOps has an aim to shorten the system software development lifecycle. There is a software development lifecycle. Everyone is working on their different phases or different teams. With the help of DevOps, if DevOps will be there, he will implement a new tool, new tools, okay, automations. With the help of that, this cycle will be slow, this cycle will be fast, or it will be automated. I'm talking about this cycle, okay, this cycle, okay, this cycle. If everyone will do manual work, definitely things will take a time, okay. Developer write the code, it will come to the QA people, it will take 1 week. But if the things happen automatically, same people has been involved in all the process, then what will happen? The things will run faster, and we are not doing everything manually, we are doing everything with the help of automations, with the help of tools. That's why DevOps is lot of tools into the market, okay. We are doing everything with the help of tools. Yes, that's why we are DevOps. And our thing is like, we will shorten the software development life cycle, and things will work automatically with the good quality. That is a DevOps people. DevOps is a streamlined solution for all the IT people, IT in IT operations or well as the development people. This is the streamlined solution, means with the help of DevOps people, he will provide the same solution for almost all the teams. Whatever you are learning into one part, DevOps part, you have to implement the same thing. Okay, the good DevOps practice you have to implement into all the teams so that everything will work very smoothly. DevOps has some principles, some set of rules, or some good practices which we have to follow to achieve the things. This is a DevOps. Hope you get a very high level overview what exactly the DevOps is. Can I expect that answer?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, now the question will come. Before that, can we take 5 minutes break, guys? If you want to go for any bio break, drinking water, okay, drink a water and come back in 5 minutes. Okay, we have a little bit more journey as well. Okay, this is again about the money. Okay, now everything we will talk about the money, why to come into the AWS, how much you can earn it, okay, how much Google is telling to you, how much Naukri is telling to you. Okay, that all things we will see into the next 5 minutes. Okay, I want to give a 5 minute break. Okay, CLOCK. I'm giving a 5 minute break. Guys, you're okay with the 5 minute, right? Or you want a little bit more?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine.
5 minutes is 5, or 3 minutes is also enough?
Fine with 5 minutes.
Okay.
Fine with 5 minutes.
I'm giving a 5 minute break, guys. Okay. Be back in 5 minutes for sure. Okay. We will start our thing that is related to the money. Okay. And you must have to be available, everyone. Okay. Okay, quickly.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay, guys. 5 minutes, please. Okay. Guys, I am back. If you want to talk 20 seconds with me, you can talk. Who haven't get an opportunity? Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Because I just wanted to check, like, how will you help in resume building and, to fake out the experience from a manual to DevOps?
See, I will teach you the things. Okay, you have to write in your resume. That's it.
But the recruiter and all, they will ask us to explain, right? The day-to-day.
What they will ask?
Day-to-day job process, how you work.
I will teach everything. I will teach everything. What I'm telling.
Okay, good.
Because see, you are already spending 2 months with me, right? 2 and 3 months with me, correct? And
correct.
In 3 months, you will learn the things with me. And this is what you have to say, that you are doing it. You know all these things.
Okay, makes sense.
Don't be hesitant. Okay, otherwise you will not able to do anything. Okay, right? Right. You have to always take a step. That's always required, guys. You have to always take a step. Then only you will able to achieve it. Okay, and I am giving the step to you. Okay, first step is always tough. Okay, when you will take the first step, you will be very easy. Okay, you have to reach into this place is very tough. Okay, if you reach it now, the journey will start.
Right. Thank you, Vikas. Yeah.
Okay, and guys, there is a beauty of IT. No need to hesitate. Okay, everyone, anyone, you know that some people from support to the development, they are switching it. Okay, some non-technical to technical peoples are coming into the IT, right? This is the beauty. If you have a knowledge, you are welcome to the IT. If you don't have knowledge, you will never come to the IT. If you will get 100 opportunities as well, right? For the knowledge people, only 5 opportunities are enough. Okay, with the help of 5 opportunity, they may get something for sure. Okay, not 5, chalo 10 are required. Okay, and if every 10 opportunity till one, whatever is the mistake, if you will cover up, if second, whatever is the mistake, you have to just overcome, you have to cover up. Third thing, if this is the mistake, okay, you don't know, you have to learn it. Okay, you have to ask the questions. I will help you out with this thing. Okay, you have to give multiple interviews to me, then I will send you to the actual interviews. You don't have to worry. Okay, and not only me, I have a team, okay, who will take your interviews. Okay, means not only same direction, multiple different varieties of people will take your interview. Who is the good into, means let us assume that you are the QA people. So first we will make you the QA engineer perfect, right? Then only you will be migrating into the another profile. It will be the idea will be like this. Make sense, Sujal? You got the answer?
Yeah, because
cool. Okay, good. Okay, let me tell you some more thing. Okay, what we can get it from this course. Okay, if you will know, if you don't know, okay, I will tell you. Go into the Google and check it. Okay, how much is the AWS Cloud Dictionary people are getting it? Okay, in India they are getting around 12 lakhs. Okay, and an average. Okay, 12 lakhs to 14 lakhs will be very average for very entry level things. Okay, and in the US the amount is this one. Okay, I don't want to calculate, it will be very high. Okay, you can understand, it's a $1,13,000 and $1 is of 75 rupees. Okay, so you have to multiply this amount with the 75 and you will get the answer. Okay, why we want to come into the DevOps? Yes, the salary is really very good. Okay, if you don't know, I will tell you. Okay, this is Naukri.com. This is the screenshot. I took it yesterday night at 9:13 p.m. Okay, I don't want to go into the screenshot. I want to give the actual things to you. Okay, I'm copying this URL. Okay, I'm opening into my Naukri profile. Okay, this is Naukri.com only. Okay, if you will see here, how many openings are there, guys, at this point? If I'm searching only DevOps and AWS, how many openings are there?
45225.
Some better number, 45,000, right?
Yeah.
At this point, 45,000 open jobs are there. And how many you need?
Only one.
Not 1, 2, 3 for the counter offers, right? To make a good package, three openings or 3 jobs will be enough for you, right? At this point, this many jobs are there into the market. Okay, I'm talking about only Naukri.com referrals, so you will not get to know also how many openings are there in the Naukri. Only this many openings are there, and don't feel that you don't have very less experience. For the freshers also, 2 to 7 years experience also, it will come like this: 2 to 7, 6 to 11, 3 to 6, like that only. And they are not telling that 2 years directly DevOps engineer experience is required. Okay, after my course also you will make the 2 years experience, or you will speak related to the 2 years, and you will able to reach it to that place as well. Okay, so this many openings are already there into the market. Okay, and we need only 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, if the openings are there, yes, competition is also there. Okay, but 45,000 openings are there, and you will be only 30 people in my group to get these jobs. Okay, cool. After learning or after this course, okay, what all job profiles you can apply it. Okay, you can apply as a DevOps engineer, you can apply into the cloud engineer role as well, you can apply into the SRE. SRE is mostly toward the process related things. Okay, as a DevOps engineer, you can apply into that part as well. You can apply into the cloud system admin jobs roles as well. If you want to move towards the Google Cloud, okay, Google Cloud DevOps engineer also you can move. AWS, so definitely the complete primary focused course is on AWS only. Okay, Azure, I will not teach anything related to the Azure, but if you know the driving, you can drive any car. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Right, if you know how to use a Windows laptop, you can use Lenovo laptop, you can use a Dell laptop, you can use any other company laptop as well if the platform is Windows. Yes or no? Anyone who want to say that, sir, I know only how to run a Lenovo laptop with Windows 10, I don't know how to run a Windows 10 on Dell laptop? Anyone want to say this point? No, right? If you know how to use a laptop, how to use a Windows, okay, in Dell laptop or in Lenovo laptop, if you are able to understand this thing, yes, you can understand any other cloud as well, because services are very similar, but the company is different, UI is different, names are different, but things are very similar. Okay, same as in GCP as well, same part. Okay, Azure, same thing. Okay, why the double, I will remove it. Okay, CI/CD engineers. Okay, CI/CD means with the help of tool, continuous integration, continuous deployment. This is primarily a DevOps role. My complete project is belong to this. Okay, means I will spend this much time. Okay, the CI/CD part after AWS, the CI/CD part. Okay, this 2 weeks, okay, will be belong to make you this profile. Okay, CI/CD engineer. Okay, in your company always you will hear that they want a CI/CD, they want to make the CI/CD. Yes, they want to make this thing. Okay, which is already in our project, and I'm going to teach to you. You can work as a freelancer who has a more than 5 to 7 years experience. You will go as a lead engineer as well. You can go as a senior DevOps engineer as well. Okay, automation architect, security engineer, because after DevOps, okay, some security tools if you will implement, you can work into a security engineer or security cloud engineer as well. DevOps platform, obviously, build and release. If you will see here, this infinity loop, some parts will be of build and release as well. Okay, this part, okay, release and build part. Okay, build and release part, we are already into the build and release. We DevOps engineer always already involved into the build and release, so yes, we can do that part as well. Okay, cool. Okay, reliability engineer, release manager. Okay, if someone who means has a 10 years of experience, okay, they can go into the release manager. Means after this course you can come into this profiles as well, but primarily is a DevOps engineer or cloud engineer or DevOps engineer role will be the primarily will be AWS, but with the help of this, yes, GCP will also, you will understand, because I will use GCP also in front of you. Okay, I will show, because I want to make a hybrid cloud engineer. I don't want to make a single cloud engineer. In the single cloud or hybrid cloud, you will get a double package as well, because you know double clouds. Okay, this is the intention. That's why we will involve a Google Cloud also into this course as well. Okay, cool. And this is some example into the Glassdoor, how much people are getting the salary. Okay, I'm not telling from my side. Glassdoor average basic pay is this much for the DevOps engineer. Okay, and this is not very enough, but this is very important. Okay, everyone here, what is the Stack Overflow website? What is this? What is this website, guys? Stack Overflow
Website to resolve your doubts.
To resolve their doubt. Okay, and what do you mean by blocks? Do you guys trust Stack Overflow? Yes or no? How many people are there who can trust Stack Overflow? No one? Very bad. 1, 2. Guys, we have the only website where we can trust, where we'll get the answers. Okay, yeah, cool. Now the count is good. Okay, yes, in this website we will get all the technical queries solutions. Okay, without this website, after 3 years or after 2 years, you will not survive into the IT if this website will not work. Do you agree with my point? Anyone want to confirm this point?
Yes, you are right.
Right?
Yes.
After 3 years, if you do, this website will not work. If you have a 3 years, more than 3 years or 2 years experience, okay, if this website will not work, you will not able to do your day-to-day work as well. Okay.
Yep.
And they are telling something that how much is the salary DevOps engineers are earning. Okay, earning potential types of coding work. Okay, median salary, different types of developers. Okay, if you will see here, US DevOps salary is highest. Okay, beyond to the data scientist, beyond to the data engineer, front end, back end, full stack developers as well. The DevOps salary in US is highest. The DevOps salary in UK is also highest, beyond to the data engineer, data scientist, or anyone. Okay. In India, yes, DevOps salary is highest salary in India as well as compared to any other profile. Okay. QA people or designer are very down. Okay. But DevOps is on the top. Germany, yes, DevOps is again on the top, who is earning the highest money. Okay, highest earners are the DevOps engineer in all these countries. I am not telling anything. The Stack Overflow website is telling this thing. Okay, so yes, DevOps engineers are the highest package we are getting at this time. Okay, this they are changing it again. I don't know why they have not changed it. Okay, or I do have the old URL. Okay, in they are telling this point from the 2019 onwards. Yes, DevOps engineers are hiring the getting the highest salary, and that is correct. Okay, I'm giving this a screenshot. I'm giving this URL also. Okay, you have to go into and check it. Okay, don't trust always with me. Okay, and there are some more articles. Okay, who is telling that why you have to learn the DevOps. Okay, again, guys, you know what is Medium website? What is Medium? Have you heard this website, Medium?
It's like Quora,
Yes,
right?
yes.
What exactly it is? Just a little bit over. What exactly the Medium is?
People write posts and all. Like
People write codes. Okay, and yeah, you can see that this person has written that. Okay, top 5 reasons to learn DevOps. Okay, what are the reasons? Anyone can learn DevOps very easily, guys. We can learn DevOps very easy to get a job also. Okay, faster career growth. If your career growth has been stopped because of the outdated technology, because of DevOps, the career growth will be high. Shortened development life cycle. Earlier, you were into the one phase only, that's only development is happening, only QA is happening. Now, with the help of this thing, the cycle will be small and lot of things will happen because of the DevOps engineer. Fear software failure. If the things are happening with the help of automation, with the help of tools, yes, the cycle, the softwares will be less failure, client will be happy, and they will pay a money to the DevOps engineer. These are the primary reasons. Even I am adding some more point. Anyone can learn DevOps. Easy to get a job. Faster career growth. Shortened development life cycle. Okay. Fewer software failure. Highest salary across the IT job. In any of the job career, yes, DevOps engineers are earning highest at this point. In 2021, though, you cannot compare as well how much 5 years experience people are getting it. Talk with your friends, okay, who are into the cloud, who are into the DevOps, you will get the answer. Okay, become reputed or respected into the IT company. Okay, knowledgeable across the complete software development life cycle flow. Okay, means into all the environments you will be you have the knowledge for all the environment as well. Okay, that's why we have to learn a DevOps into 2022 as well. Okay, guys, if you have any query, anything, this is my email address, vikas@bjshub.com. You can mail me anytime. This is my mobile number. You can message me anytime, primarily WhatsApp. Okay, I will prefer, because I will be in classes somewhere. You can WhatsApp me. I will definitely respond. Whoever here has messaged me, I have responded already. Okay, this is the Ashu's email. Okay, I hope everyone knows Ashu only. Okay, you can send a message to them, anything, if you have any query, or you can ping him to the Facebook as well. He will be always available. Okay, you can ping him to the Facebook, or he will be always available, and he will be into our WhatsApp group at the another admin apart from this number. That will be Ashu's number. If you want to talk with Ashu, yes, you are welcome. You can talk with Ashu as well anytime. Okay, any queries, you can reach out to me anytime. You don't have to worry for that part. Okay, and yes, we do have the success stories as well, and you will be a part of our success story. Okay, as you saw the YouTube video somewhere. Okay, success story, we were earlier, we are not making the videos and all these things. I was creating it. Okay, not that much videos level kind of thing, everything into the WhatsApp messages or like that. Anwar, mute yourself. Now we are creating a videos as well. So yes, you will see that how people are migrating into that part. Okay, how people, their journey is migrating from non-technical background to the technical background as well. And I will make you a success story as well. We will make you into your goal, whatever your new job, your new expectation, we will take you into that place as well to you. Okay, yeah, cool. Guys, let's give me time. Okay, team introduction. Yes, I given the team introduction. Okay, let's see what all things we have to check into the day one. Learning path. This is our learning path. Training overview, roadmap. Yes, this is our training overview. Okay, means I given the day one sheet. This is our training overview which I have to pass to you. Okay, roadmap. Yes, this is the roadmap day by day. What all things we are going to learn into that. Introduction to the DevOps, very high level introduction to DevOps, very high level over the AWS. Okay, and their jobs into the Naukri, and some DevOps demo which we will see into some couple of minutes as well. Right, able to hear, able to understand till now what I want to deliver to you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Because just one thing I wanted to ask, for weekend classes, you will be sharing links on mail, or you will be creating a group for that?
See, this will be the training link. Okay, and as soon as you will register us, you will be into the WhatsApp group. I will share all the details into our private WhatsApp group. Okay, make sense?
Yeah.
Right. For next week also, the link will be same. Okay, for next week also the link will be same. Okay, but I want you guys who are really interested to join us. Okay, I will give the registration link one more. Okay, and you can join us, and you will be into the actual WhatsApp group. You will get all the links, recordings, everything into the class as well. Okay?
Because I have posted one question in chat.
Kunal, let me check your question. What exactly it is, Rahman? There are lots of questions are there. Kunal, if you will give speak, it will be good for me.
Yes, I was just asking that, do you provide the freelancing project related to DevOps after the class?
After the class, if you want to work it from today as well, freelancing means you are expecting the money as well.
Yes, both money and knowledge.
I can provide you, no worries. Okay, if you really have a bandwidth, okay, if you have a knowledge, yes, I can provide it to you, no worries. We do have lot.
Sure, thank you.
Okay, cool. Yeah, and yeah, guys. Okay, let's see some more things into the AWS journey as well. What exactly it is. How the AWS revolution came. Okay, it came into 2002. Okay, that time this platform has been launched. Which platform? Which I'm showing here. Okay, this is the platform which has been launched 20 years back. Okay, and now we are learning this part. Okay, out of that there are lots of services are there. Okay, that all services was not there at that time, but you know, some services already came into 2004 itself. Okay, the SNS, SQS, whatever the notifications you are getting or emails you are getting from the AWS, that service has been developed in 2004. Okay, and in the 2006 EC2 machines, means virtual machine concept, came in 2006 itself into the AWS. Okay, but nowadays we are using in our company. Okay, when the machine has been created, the virtual private cloud, means everything was public earlier. Now we will create our own private cloud. In that cloud we will launch our services. Okay, so our network we will create it, and inside a network we will learn the things. Okay, so virtual private cloud concept has came in 2009, and so on. After that, in 2016 it hits the 10 billion revenue, and then it has been come into the boom in from the 2016 onwards. Okay, and then in 2017 100 plus AWS services came. In 2018 and so on, lot of services came, and right now 200 plus services are there. Their journey is like they have started in 2002 and so on. Slowly they have learned, and slowly they have developed the things, and we are also learning slowly we will learn it. At the end of this thing, what all things you will get it, how they are migrating the things. Earlier the infrastructure was like this, the traditional approach we are following it, means earlier we have a, means for any application development, guys, what all things will be required? First thing, storage or database will be required, servers will be required, networks will be required, or some security related things will be required to create any of the application, right? This was the traditional approach, means for storage and for database some RDMS systems or NAS, SNS things was there. This has been migrated, this has been changed into EBS, EFS, S3, and the storage and database related solutions has been provided by AWS to us. Okay, these are the storage or database solution AWS has provided to us. Servers, earlier we have the online service, we can say on-premises servers. In your office, in your company also, you saw that there will be one small room for the server, right? That has been migrated now to the AMI or EC2 machines. Okay, means it will be a virtual machine, it will be a same machine for you, but we are telling it's a virtual because we are virtually accessing this and physically it will be available into their data center. Okay, so things has been migrated from the servers to the AMI or EC2 instances. Yes, this is the migration happened in the last 10 years. Okay, earlier we saw the routers, pipes, network pipes, switches. Now it has been converted into the load balancers, ELB, and VPCs. In the VPC, whatever the networking related configurations was there, yes, we can do everything. And this all things, whatever I'm telling you at this point, okay, this all A services are already in our course, which we are going or I'm going to teach to you. Okay, when the network has been created, earlier some firewalls, some ACL, some administration peoples are there, Linux admin peoples are there, they will allow or they will reject your request, right? For that, some services came into AWS that are security related service. Here, the IAM is the service. With the help of that, who is the right person, who is authorized to go into this data center, to go into these places. With the help of IAM, we are accessing it. And yes, this all services are provided by the AWS as a traditional approach to the cloud approach. And I will compare the things with this. I'm going to teach you all these things as well. Okay, cool. I want to make into the wider picture as well. Global infrastructure. What exactly the global infrastructure is? If you will see here in the AWS account, okay, if it is what global infrastructure, over the worldwide complete infrastructure is there. Whatever, wherever you want to create your servers, we will choose the location. At this point, let me choose the Mumbai location. Okay, why we are choosing the Mumbai location, that also I will teach to you. Okay, we will check the latency, we will check why you have to create a data center into which place. Okay, which will be your infrastructure. For you it's better, for your client which infrastructure is better, or which location will be better. Okay, we will choose that and we will do it in the tomorrow class only. We will choose the global infrastructure, which infrastructure is good for us. We will understand that part and we will start our journey from that only. Whatever our tool latency will say, I will choose that only for this project, and we will use the same data center for that project only. Okay, it will be like that. We will decide the things, we will understand about the networking, we will understand about the compute, storage, databases, applications related services, deployment related services, administration related services. This all, almost not everything, okay, almost all the things we are going to learn to understand the AWS as well. Okay, these are the services which we are going to learn in our complete course. Okay, this is again a same picture. Some things are related to the compute, some things are related to the storage, some things are related to the database, some things are related to encryption, deployment. Yes, this all things we are going to learn in our classes. Okay, I'm giving a very high level overview of definitions. I don't want to give everything in one shot right away. We have a journey, we will learn and we will grow. Okay, but here, if someone has a question, someone is telling, sir, I have a 5 years experience, I have a 7 years experience, I do have a 10 years experience. Is this course is beneficial for me as well? Yes, I will tell you. If you have a 5 years, if you have a 10 years experience also, this course is beneficial for you because, guys, what is white papers? Anyone here who can give the answer? What is white papers?
No idea about
anyone? What is white papers? No? Okay. White papers means a source of truth. Okay. Here I'm giving one PDF who has more than 5 years experience. Guys, who has a less than 5 years experience, no need to open these sheets. Okay. I'm giving some PDFs, okay, which has been written by the AWS itself. The overview of AWS, if you have a more than 5 years experience, here is the overview sheet. You have to see this 85 pages. Out of 85 pages, every services little bit overview is there. Okay, you don't have to learn all the services. just understand which service is doing what. This is only after 5 years people has been expected. Okay, you will be expert into 5 to 10 services which I am going to give you. Okay, you will be expert in 10 or 15 services, right, which I am already teaching to you. But as a wider thing, you have to be aware little bit about from this sheet as well. Okay, some overview, what is cloud computing. Okay, some answers should be required. 6 advantages of cloud computing. Okay, whenever if any of the interviewer want to talk with you, the answers will be from here. Okay, and trust me guys, out of 85 pages, 80 pages or 70 pages, so I will only cover up into the course. Okay, you have to put little bit more efforts. Okay, architecture framework. Okay, when we will talk about the higher level, okay, more than 7 years, more than 10 years experience people, they will work on the architecture. This is the book, okay, which I am giving to you, has a 97 page. Architecture related information will be everything into this place. Okay, if you will have a look, you will get the answer. Best practice, yes, I will follow my best to follow all the best practice, and this is the book which AWS is telling for the best practice, 50 pages, right? Out of that, I will cover up almost 45 pages for the best practice. Okay, I will only cover up, you don't have to worry. Okay, because I will try my best to follow all the best practice. I will explicitly tell that no, this is not a good approach, this is the good approach. This is not the right scenario, this is the right scenario. You have to work like that. Okay, I will give that all answers as well. Anyone here who heard about the disaster recovery in your company? Definitely in every company it's there. Vikas, you want to say something? Ankit?
I just heard like it's the way if something goes wrong, for that
Correct.
we basically claim
Correct.
something.
You are absolutely correct. Okay, if something wrong, something goes wrong, okay, something disaster happen into the data center, how to recover the data. Okay, this will be a once in a year activity. Okay, anyone here who worked into the disaster recovery or heard it? 5 years, 7 years experience people, 10 years experience people? No? Okay, no problem then. Okay, I will give you the overview about this as well, because when you are 5 years experience or 10 year experience, this type of things may come. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not explicitly telling this may come, but it will be boom. If you will read this book, you can ask more 5 lakh package more. Okay, whatever is your current package, understand this and you can expect 5 lakh more package. Okay, because of this part. Okay, you can say that I know almost all the overview of the AWS. Okay, I know the architecture level things as well. I know what is the best practice we have to follow. I know what is the disaster recovery happen into the AWS. All these answers are available into this books. Okay, and guys, yeah, primarily, okay, my intention is I will help you out for everything for the Cloud Dictionary. This is the very first certification exam. Okay, I will try my best to give you all the answers related to the Cloud Dictionary, and just we will cover up into this course. After this course, after 2-3 months, okay, make the real experience. Okay, if you don't have the right experience at this point, make the real experience, because they are telling that at least 6 months of experience will be required to give this certification. I will help you out. You can go into this certification. Okay, it will be really boom for your career. Okay, means after this certification you can again ask more 5 lakh. Okay, whatever is your current, whatever the offer you are getting it, at least 1 or 2 lakh will get increased because of this certification. It's not mandatory, but if you want to if you want to create more icing over your cake, okay, over your resume, more icing over that, this certification will help you out, and I will also help you out. Okay, and yes, Cloud Dictionary is the certification exam you can give after 6 months, not now. Okay, this is March, April, May, June, July, August, September. In month of September you guys can write this exam as well. It will be helpful for you. Okay, it will be helpful for your second job. Cool, got it guys? Yes or no? I hope I taken care of all your questions, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, just I have one question.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Yeah, why we can't give this exam before 6 months? Because we are showing the experience as 2 years, 3 years at DevOps, right?
See, do you really have the 3 years experience of DevOps?
No, yeah, that's the question I wanted.
Shelby, you don't have to worry. If you want to write it tomorrow also, AWS is not stopping you. Without knowledge, just read the dumps and you can write the exam. There is no problem at all. But see, if you really want, if you really want to gather the knowledge, I am telling you to digest the thing and then use it. Because see, just I will tell you one thing. If you have 10 certifications, okay, if you don't have the knowledge, what is the use of the certification?
Yeah.
No one will give you, no one will give the job directly on the certification basis, right?
Yes,
they will
correct.
take your interview, okay, then only if certification will be there, it's a icing, you can ask more package. This is the benefit.
Yeah, so when we are showing like we have 2 years, 3 years experience, then recruiter will ask the interview question according to that only, right? So we'll be able to answer that.
Yes, you will be able to answer it. Because of my interview questions, you can give the 6-year experience interview as well. You don't have to worry. Okay. Because whatever interviews I am giving, okay, in my career, I'm writing that answer questions as well. You don't have to worry for that part. Okay. And I'm writing, I'm searching the answer, I'm making the answer, I'm writing into my sheets as well. Okay. That sheet will be available for everyone. Okay. For everyone who are my students. Okay. Regular batch. Okay. Here, interview questions, all the questions topic wise. Okay. Cloud computing, DevOps, okay, Linux interview questions, Git, Jenkins, AWS interview questions, okay, CI/CD questions, all the questions. This has been I took from the internet, okay, I written it, some from my old students, okay, but primarily these are the old from our old experience. This is 26 batch, right? In the last 25 batch, whatever is the experience are happen, it will be added here. Okay, and you will not feel that any question is coming beyond to this. Okay, if it's come, I will be the very happy to understand that question. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Good. I hope your question, I hope your answer is clear, right?
Yes. So on the basis of these interview questions, let's say someone cracked the interview and getting the job, then how he or she is during the actual job.
Vivek, your voice is not very clear. Okay, it's breaking.
That's fine. I'll ask tomorrow then.
Okay, cool. No worries.
Hi, I have one doubt.
Go ahead, Rahul.
Yeah, actually, I have experience on system administrator. Okay, like Windows, Hyper-V, VMware, and actually, even DevOps is a totally a little bit different, right? So, like, depends on like a cloud. In cloud, and we are running the tools, right? In DevOps.
Correct. Yes, I totally agree.
Yeah. Actually, if you see the Azure and AWS, you are running on the different tools on cloud. And one more thing, actually, I have experience in system administrator. Okay. So if it is, if I go for AWS architecture, yeah, like Azure administrator, yeah, AWS administrator.
Rahul, don't be very confused. Okay. Go for one job. Okay. Don't go for Azure, AWS, GCP, everything. Go for one. Okay. If you're coming, if you're learning here AWS, I will suggest you go for AWS primarily. Secondary is your interest, or secondary is your other experiences there, then you can go for the another. Okay. Otherwise, I will suggest you go for the cloud engineer. That will be AWS will be primarily, or AWS plus GCP. Okay. Will be very suitable for you.
Okay, and that future will be future in that DevOps will be good for us. Like some
Rahul, DevOps is the only future. That's why you came here, right?
Okay.
You already know this answer. That's why you came to this meeting.
Yeah.
Good future. That's why.
Yeah.
Correct. Don't think that DevOps is a good future or not. I already told you the salary package. You can search over the internet. Okay, go to the Google future of DevOps. Okay, you will get your answer.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Cool. Good. Yeah, guys. Any other question, guys? Any open question which
hello,
I haven't taken care? Yeah, Chandu, go ahead.
Hello, Vikas. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Ramachandran. I have completed in 2014 batch, but I don't have experience in IT field. I have some other field, electronics field.
Okay.
Am I eligible for this course?
You are eligible. Okay. You have an interest to learn AWS or cloud?
Yes.
You want to come into the IT?
Yes.
Okay. I will tell you, if all the students are putting 100 and 110%, you have to put 125% XP. What we can say, your time.
Okay. My one more question is, can I get job after completing this course? That means pressure level. Somebody is telling in AWS cloud now that fresher will get job difficult, like that they're telling.
Chandu, you are already a 6-year experience. Do you want to go for 3 lakh package again? No, right?
Yes.
No, right? You want to
yes.
at least use 2 years of your knowledge from your previous experience.
Okay.
If you will take the only benefit for like Linux support, any of the support experience, from your previous experience, then it will be very easy. See, always getting a first job is also very tough. Getting a job as a fresher is also very tough. If you will not try, it will be very tough. If you will try, then only you will get it.
Okay.
Make sense?
Okay.
Right? See, without doing anything, it will be always very tough. If you will do the things, then it will be very easy and it will be achievable.
Okay. Thank you.
Because see, I saw that someone who is a, what we can say, so out of testers or anything, they are moving to the development side as well. You also know that lot of people has switched the profile. And in IT, yes, everyone or lots of people or every other people is switching from another role as well. Yes or no? Because you are not always the same profile always.
Yes.
Right? So after learning or after the knowledge, yes, you can switch into the DevOps or cloud as well.
Okay.
Here I am with you, BJ is with you, and your efforts will also with you.
Okay, thank you.
Cool. Guys, I hope you all get the answers, whatever you are expecting.
Hi Vikas. Tomorrow's class link.
It will be same, guys. It will be same link, for the tomorrow class as well. Okay. Yes. Okay. Same link. And guys who are really interested to join us, let me give you the final registration form. Okay. Just register it there. Okay. You will get a payment link, and then you can you will be into the actual official WhatsApp group as well. Okay. Just give me a moment. I will give you the link.
Could you please share the link in WhatsApp group?
I'm giving into the chat. Okay, we will send you into the WhatsApp group as well. Okay, just give me a moment.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys. What else? Any open question?
Vikas, so how much is the difficulty level, and can we cope up with the current job of ours?
See, difficulty level. If you are understood the today's class, every class you will understood. Okay, come to the tomorrow class as well. Come to the next week class as well. If you are able to understand, you will understand the last class as well. Okay, it makes sense, and you will cop up everything until and unless you will not get it. Okay, I will not go into the next topic. Is that fine?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay, or see, until and unless you will ask the questions, I will give the answers.
Got it.
Okay, means you also have to ask the questions. I have to give the answers in different perspectives. Okay, guys, this is the final registration link. Okay, whoever is really interested to join us, just fill your details. You will get the payment link. Okay, come for the next class as well tomorrow, next month, Saturday, Sunday as well if you want. Okay, but if you will register it, all the PPTs, recording, videos, you will get it soon, or before that you will get all the accesses. Cool, all good.